This is obviously you can see the name.
Sun block.
Yeah,
okay,
so
just to block the sun.
And it's looking separated.
yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is me, your favorite girl Anastasia, and I'm back with another video. And guys, I have a special guest to.
Yeah, I'm available today.
He says he's available today. And I say, hey guys, say.
Hi guys.
Yes, so guys, today I'm going to be making crocodile soup. Yes, guys, you heard me. I'm going to be making crocodile soup. Babe, do you know what crocodile soup is?
Crocodile.
Yes, crocodile soup. That's what I'm making for you.
I don't know.
So you have not heard of crocodile soup before? Yeah.
That's
Go.
not the basic ones. People see.
Okay, you know egusi ogbono. So guys, I'm going to be making black soup today. It's actually not crocodile soup, don't mind me. When I was growing up, like I used to call black soup crocodile soup because the look of the soup, like the soup actually doesn't look good. My mom used to make it a lot while growing up. I really didn't like it then because the soup wasn't really looking good, like it wasn't attractive. Okay, so I didn't really like it. But when I grew up, like when I was growing, I was open to eating the soup because I used to be really scared of eating the soup. So but when I was growing, I started eating the soup and it was actually really nice. So that's what I'm going to be making today. Let me show you the things I'm going to be using for this black soup. And I'm going to be using some scent leaf, and I actually got two, I don't know what I will call this. Is it two bunch of scent leaf, and I got uziza leaf. So you can actually make use of bitter leaf too, but I just only want to use scent leaf and uziza. It's going to be very small, so I don't know if my husband is going to like it, so I don't want to make it too plenty. So I'm just going to make it very small, like the one we are going to eat today. Look at someone that claims going to help me. You're already yawning. Hey, where? So babe, which leaf is this one? Let me see if you know.
No,
Is what?
that is what is it called? It's what the Ugu. Yeah.
This is ugu leaf.
Okay, sentinel. Yeah, sentinel.
Scent leaf, yeah. What about this one? What leaf is this? And I just said it just now. You were not listening to me.
Is it
Away. This is uziza leaf. This is my first time of making this black soup. I have not made it before. Like it's been very long. I even ate black soup. I think when I was still maybe when I was in secondary school. It's been very long since I ate black soup. So I don't even know if they add stockfish or ogiri. I don't really know. I watched Ife's kitchen a YouTube shorts. So that's the video I'm going to follow. I'm going to follow the procedure of what she did in that video. So yeah guys, I'm boiling some water that I would use for my dry fish. So while the water is boiling, I have here a bag of skincare products. So I'm going to be asking I'll be asking you what the products are for. Let me see if you know anything about skincare, or all the while you've been with me, let me see if you know about skincare. So we're going to be starting out with I'm going to be starting out with this one. I know you have seen me. You used to use this one, sir. So what does it do to the body? What's the name, first of all?
It's scrub, body scrub.
Okay, body scrub. You are looking at this. Okay, what does it do?
It's for brightening
Ooh.
of the skin. Like, if you want to wear out the old.
Wow. I'm surprised.
On the skin.
Oh, wearing out the old surface of the skin. Wow, that's nice. You got it too. I give you 10 over 10.
Yeah.
So what's this one? So yeah, this is obviously you can see the name.
Sunblock.
Yeah,
okay,
so
just to block the sun. Hey,
wait. He said that to block sun.
yes, is it to protect your skin from the sun?
Yes,
from the
yes.
sunlight.
Yeah, from the sunlight. Yeah, let me know. I give you 9 over 10. It is to block. Okay, let's move to the third one. Okay, so this one, you have seen me use this one. Okay, no, I just started using this one, Sha. This one is body oil. So what does body oil do to the body?
Freshness. You want to be fresh? Soft skin. Those kind of things.
Those kind of things.
Yeah.
Well, you're almost correct, Sha. Like, it actually moisturizes the skin. Just like you said, softens the skin. So you're right. I give you 7 over 10.
So,
You try. So, the next one. Okay, babe, look at this one. This one is me and you cream. You are using this one.
cream, body cream.
Okay, so what does this particular lotion do? I told you about this lotion that time when I bought it.
If you want to tone your skin.
Tone your skin.
Yeah.
So have you been seeing changes since you started using this?
Yes.
I've been seeing changes a bit. This one, everybody knows what this one is. Yeah.
Lip gloss for the lips.
What does it do to the lips? We know it's lip gloss. What does it do?
It makes it soft. Just for moisturizing of the lips.
Wow, 10 over 10. I am done picking out the leaves. So this is the uziza and scent leaf with some scotch bonnet pepper, onion and crayfish. So I'm going to blend everything together with my blender and I'm going to pour it into the pot of bomo and meat and all of that stuff. Then I'll add palm oil and add my ogiri okpe. So I don't really know if they add ogiri okpe to black soup, but I just bought it in case. The YouTube videos that I watched, they didn't use ogiri okpe. I don't know if this is okpe itself. I don't know how it looks like. So I'm going to be adding it into the soup. Guys, I'm just like going with the flow. I really hope everything goes well, to be honest. So guys, look who we have here. Guys, I just finished blending. Now help me carry it. I just finished blending the scent leaf and uziza, and this is looking so black. This is not how Ife's kitchen was.
It's looking weird, like
It's looking very weird. I don't know.
And it's looking separated.
Yeah, I don't know what I did wrong because Ife's kitchen's own, our own was green, but my own is black. Well, anyway, see, it's black soup now. I think it's this color because I added crayfish. Poof, I don't know. So this is my red oil, guys. So I'm going to add this. I'm going to shake it. So I'm going to pour this blended uziza and scent leaf inside the soup. So I'm just going to pour everything inside. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. Oh guys, I've added my blended scent leaf and uziza, and this is how it is looking. But if his kitchen don't look like this.
It's not thick. Maybe if we allow it to boil.
Yeah, it's going to boil. She said boil for like 30 minutes.
And if we allow it to boil, it's thick.
Okay.
It didn't thick. Like.
So guys, this soup has been boiling for like 10 minutes. So I'm going to boil it for another 15 minutes until it becomes thicker. The soup, I checked it right now and it is already reducing and it is already becoming thicker. I am so happy. Like, this is my first time of making black soup and it is already looking like it's going to come out well. So I just put water on the fire right now. We're going to make eba, so we're going to be eating the black soup with eba. And guys, like I said earlier, the soup doesn't actually really look good. Like, it is not very attractive, but it is very, very good for the body. Like, scent leaf is also known as basil, like basil, yes. And I think uziza, I don't know the English name for uziza, but they both have medicinal purposes and it is so good for the body. It is very medicinal. The last time I had this soup was maybe when I was in secondary school. Like, it's been so long since I had this black soup. You guys, make sure you try it. Do not allow the color of the soup to discourage you, because when I was growing up, I told you guys I used to call it crocodile soup because the soup was actually looking somehow. But trust me guys, it is very good and you need to try it. I don't know if other tribes actually make black soup, but I really know, what I know is that Edo people make black soup. Okay, I don't really know of other tribes. So yeah guys, make sure you try it. You guys are going to love this soup. Don't allow the color to discourage you. Okay, this is the soup. The soup is already thick, so I'm just going to turn off my gas. So I tasted it and it tasted really, really nice, guys. So this is how the soup looks like. Yeah, the soup is very delicious, guys.
A few moments later.
So, did you enjoy the black soup?
Yeah.
You enjoyed it, Abby? So, is this something you would like to eat next time?
Of course.
So, rate it over 10.
It's 10 over 10.
10 over 10. Thank you for helping me.
Later that same evening.
It is currently 7 p.m. and I want to make some granola. We always try to eat granola every week. Like every weekend we always try to eat granola and just make parfait. Yeah, we always try to make parfait. So I'll show you guys everything I'm going to be using. I don't have almonds and I don't have pecans and the rest of the things. I only have oats, honey, cinnamon, raisins and coconuts. I don't have all those extra stuff, so I'm going to make do with what I have. I'm going to be using white oats. Normally you're supposed to use rolled oats, but I don't have rolled oats, so I'm just going to be using this one. And I'm going to make use of honey, cinnamon, raisins, apples, and some coconut flakes. So right now I'm going to go ahead and toast the coconut flakes. And also you'll be needing some brown sugar. I almost forgot to mention, you'll be needing some brown sugar, okay? But if you are a fit farm, then you should skip the brown sugar.